PrepTree's MBA entrance course. I am Ritika and today we are going to talk about the CAT exam and some latest trends in the management entrance exams, and also specifically how this course will help you crack the verbal ability section. Did you know हर साल approximately 2 लाख बच्चे CAT एग्जाम देते हैं and सिर्फ approximately 5500 IIM सीट्स के लिए. ये एग्जाम आपकी एनालिटिकल और वर्बल स्किल्स को टेस्ट करने के लिए डिजाइन किया गया है and we are here to help you master exactly that. Let's explore some interesting trends and insights. So over the past 15 years, we've prepared thousands of students for MBA entrance exams and seen the trend of the paper changing. The VARC section of the CAT exam has evolved significantly. Initially, इनका focus vocabulary and grammar पे होता था, but now it has shifted to reading comprehension and verbal ability. Reading comprehension passages ज़्यादा आते हैं, जो बहुत diverse topics cover करते हैं, which require deeper comprehension and critical thinking. VA में para jumbles, odd sentence out, and summary questions पूछे जाते हैं, with less focus on direct vocabulary and grammar. Overall, section ज़्यादा analytical कर दिया गया है, so they are able to assess a candidate's ability to understand and interpret complex text. Through this course, we are bringing you innovative and effective learning methods to ensure your success by understanding the nature and pulse of the paper. Here's how we do it. हमारा तरीका बहुत simple and effective है. We break down mock tests, solve them live, and use creative learning techniques. जैसे कि आपके लिए हमने इस कोर्स में बहुत सिंपल शॉर्ट फॉर्म कंटेंट डाला है, जैसे कि आप वर्ड्स का यूसेज, ओरिजिन, रूट्स एक्सेट्रा बहुत आराम से याद कर पाएंगे. सिमिलरली फॉर आरसी हम एक पैसेज को पिक करके उसके डिटेल डिस्कशन भी करने वाले हैं, which will tell you how to read, comprehend, and even find out the answers for the passage. We'll also bust some common myths about the verbal ability section to make it easier for you. We believe in smart work and learning from the past. For the same, we have an upcoming podcast series, जहां हम आपकी बात डायरेक्टली करवाएंगे CAT alumni से और experts IIMs and other top management colleges से भी, to bring you their perspective on how to crack these exams. We have designed an innovative test series which is powered by an AI engine that provides detailed analytics. Also, as Stephen has already explained about this test series, which stands out in a unique manner because it delves deep into your personalized analytics. In fact, once you take a mock test, our AI engine will break down each section considering your performance in certain questions, sections. जैसे कि आपने एक टेस्ट लिया, उसके हर क्वेश्चन का एनालिसिस आपको मिला. सिमिलरली व्हेन यू गो फॉर अ 5 टेस्ट, सो जब हम 5 टेस्ट लेंगे तो उन सारे 5 का कंपैरिजन मिलेगा. नॉट ओनली one comparison but comparing one test to the other test. ऐसे ही पांचों का आपको detailed comparison मिल जाएगा for you to find out which one was the best method for you to solve. Incredible, right? This is what sets us apart. We are raring for you to watch our course, take up our mocks and interact with us so that we can make a huge difference to your MBA entrance prep. Here's to a great start. Subscribe to this channel, keep up to date with our latest content, and don't forget to like and share with your friends. See you soon in the next